Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting in recovery mode. Restart and hold Command R. Once the Mac OS Utilities window appears, choose Disk Utility and run First Aid on the startup volume. If First Aid finds and repairs errors, good, continue. If the volume is locked because File Vault is active, unlock it with your password or recovery key before proceeding. Otherwise, First Aid can't fix container-level issues. Once done, quit Disk Utility and move to Terminal for the next set of repairs. You'll use Terminal to target deeper issues. Open Utility's right arrow terminal, run Diskutil verify volume and repair volume on the startup disk. These catch issues First Aid missed. Next, rebuild Spotlight and reset service caches with sudo mdoodle e/, then refresh local security settings if needed. After terminal steps, reset NVRAM and SMC for hardware state problems, then boot into safe mode to force cache and kernel extension rebuilds. Make sure to note any terminal errors. They guide whether reinstall is next. You finish by reinstalling Mac OS from recovery when repairs don't resolve utilities. Choose Reinstall Mac OS. It preserves user data and replaces system files. Before reinstalling, back up via target disk mode or bootable external drive to avoid surprises. If reinstall still fails, gather exact error messages and relevant logs in /var/log and at install time. Those details let you pinpoint kext, SIP, or firmware conflicts. If stuck, use safe mode and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.